A very good morning, students. So today we are starting with a new chapter in morals. We are starting with chapter 7, the source of happiness. Okay? What do you mean by happiness? Happiness is a feeling. It is a good feeling. It is a feeling of joy. Okay? So we are going to study in this chapter how to share with others and how sharing gives you happiness. Okay? So when we start the chapter, you have a beautiful story. The story is about a traveler who was once traveling to a countryside. एक traveler था जो गांव में travel कर रहा था. Okay? Suddenly he felt hungry. He did not have any food. Okay? He was a traveler. He did not have any food. So, he asked a lady for some food. उसने किसी लेडी से थोड़ा सा खाना मांगा because वो hungry था, भूखा था. Okay? So, the woman said that I do not have any food to give you. मेरे पास कोई food नहीं है देने के लिए. So, the lady did not have any food. So, the traveler said something to the lady. What did the traveler say? Traveler ने बोला उस lady को that I have a magic stone that can make magic soup. मेरे पास एक magic stone है जो magic soup बना सकता है. Then the lady got excited कि ये कैसे हो सकता है. Okay? So, what he did, he took out the stone from his pocket. Pocket से एक पत्थर निकाला. Okay? And then he burnt the chula. एक stove या चूल्हे को जलाया. उसमें boiling water रखा और उस stone को उसमें डाल दिया. He put the magic stone into boiling water. Okay? The lady also got excited to see how the stone will make a boiling water into soup. Okay? Then what happened? The man said, then when the water was boiling, जब पानी गर्म हो रहा था और उसके अंदर मैजिक स्टोन था, वो लेडी सब विलेजर्स के पास गई ये इंफॉर्मेशन देने. वो लेडी, that lady went to the villagers and told about this magic stone. Okay? So then the crowd appeared. वहाँ बहुत सारे लोग आ गए देखने के लिए how this magic will take place. Okay? Then the traveler said, it would be nice to have some potatoes in the soup. Okay? Potatoes मिल जाए तो ये soup और tasty हो जाएगा. Okay? So the one lady said that I have some potatoes. I can bring some potatoes. So he sliced the potatoes and put it in the soup. Then after some time, the traveler said, it would be nice to have some meat in the soup. अगर इस सूप में थोड़ा सा मीट डालेंगे तो शायद ये सूप और टेस्टी लगे. Okay? So one lady said, I have some leftover meat. मेरे पास बचा हुआ मीट है. She brought the meat and they put it in the soup. Okay? Then the traveler said, maybe some onions will also be good in the soup. थोड़े से onions भी soup में अच्छे लगेंगे. One person went home and brought some onions. उस soup में उन लोगों ने onions भी डाल दिए. Okay? Then he mixed all the things together and tasted it. उसने सब कुछ mix किया और taste किया. Then he said, इसमें थोड़ा सा salt और pepper भी चाहिए. Okay? So one lady went and brought some salt and pepper. The soup started boiling The traveler mixed all the things together and told everyone to bring their utensils. सब लोगों को बोला अपना अपना utensil लेके आओ. Okay? Everyone brought the utensil. The traveler put the soup and shared it with everyone. सबके साथ वो सूप शेयर किया. सबने अपने बोल में सूप लिया और चले गए. Okay? Then traveler also had the soup. Traveler ने भी सूप पिया. उसने वो stone. Now that was an ordinary stone. Okay, that was not a magic stone. Magic happened when everyone shared their things with that person. Magic तो तब हुआ, सूप तो तब बना जब सब लोगों ने थोड़ा थोड़ा करके अपनी चीजें शेयर करी उस ट्रैवलर के साथ जो बहुत भूखा था, जिसको खाने की जरूरत थी. ओके, सब लोगों ने शेयर किया, सबको थोड़ा थोड़ा शेयर भी मिला, सब लोग चले गए. उसने ऑर्डिनरी स्टोन निकाला और वो चला गया. ओके, so this is what the story is about. This is what our chapter is about. Source of happiness. Sharing is the source of happiness. Okay, when we share with others, it gives us a feeling of happiness. जब हम लोग अपनी चीजें किसी के साथ शेयर करते हैं जिसको सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत है, स्पेशली वो हमें खुशी की फीलिंग देते हैं. Understood? Further, you also have another story. Story of Lord Buddha. Okay, let's read the story. Once Buddha asked his followers, among you, who will take up the duty of feeding the hungry at the famine rage Shravasti? Now, famine rage Shravasti are the people who are hit by famine. Okay? उनके साथ कुछ बहुत बुरा हुआ है. Okay? उनकी एरिया में कुछ डिजास्टर हुआ है जिस वजह से वो लोग लाचार हैं. Okay? Lord Buddha asked, who will help these people? Okay? Rich people told him one or the other reason. जिनके पास बहुत पैसा था उन्होंने एक या दो रीजन देके बोला वी कैन नॉट हेल्प. कुछ लोगों ने बोला कि वी विल हेल्प विथ मनी. ओके, सम ऑफर्ड हिम टू पे मनी एज हेल्प. देन सुप्रिया, द मेडिकन्स डॉटर, रोज अप एंड सेड, आई विल फीड द hungry. Lord Buddha asked her, how will you feed them, my daughter? She replied, I am the poorest of all, and that is my strength. I have my storage of wealth at each of your house. Lord Buddha smiled at her. Okay, so one poor girl, okay, the person who was helping there, doctors help करते हैं वहाँ पे, उनकी बेटी, she was not very rich, she was poor. She said, I will help them. Okay, how will she help them? I am poor, that is my strength. यही मेरी ताकत है. Okay, मेरी wealth आप लोगों के घर में थोड़ी थोड़ी सी जमा है, उससे आप इन लोगों की हेल्प करें. And Lord Buddha smiled at her. उन्हें बहुत अच्छा लगा. Okay, to see this feeling of this little girl. Sharing does not mean only sharing of things or material that you already possess. We must understand the inner feeling of human beings. When a person is sorrowful in his life, we should share some time with him. It helps to reduce his sorrow. When we visit a sick person, he at least forgets his pain for some time. जब कोई दुखी है, जब कोई बीमार है, हम अपना टाइम निकाल के उनसे मिलने जाएं, उनसे बात करें. ओके, वो उन्हें खुशी की फीलिंग देंगे. ओके, फॉर सम टाइम दे विल बी हैप्पी. They will feel good that this person came, I shared my feelings with them, I talked with them. It makes me happy. Okay, so that is how we can help others. Understood? Prayer is another form of sharing. We share our thoughts and feelings with God. Prayer lessens the burden of life. It brings peace and joy into life. Moreover, it gives hope. Okay? So when you pray, when you have a bad day, आपका दिन बहुत खराब है, आपने prayer करी, God please help me, give me strength, give me a nice day tomorrow. Okay? So you are sharing your feeling. When you have a very good day, you say thank you God for such a beautiful day. Okay? That is how you share in prayer. आप प्रेयर करके अपनी फीलिंग्स भगवान के साथ शेयर करते हैं. Understood? Okay? So prayer is also a form of sharing. Beautiful story, beautiful chapter. Okay? I want you all to go through the chapter, read the chapter. In case of any doubt, you can ask me, and then we'll start with the exercise. Okay? Thank you.